Those to whom we gave the book read it as it should be read. They are the ones who truly believe in it. But those who reject it are the real losers. O children of Israel, remember the favor I granted you, and that I preferred you over all other people. And fear the day when no soul will be able to help another. No payment will be accepted, no intercession will benefit anyone, and no help will be given. When Abraham was tested by his Lord with certain commands, and he fulfilled them, Allah said, I will make you a leader for the people. Abraham asked, and from my descendants? Allah said, my promise does not include the wrongdoers. And when we made the house, Kaaba, a place of return for people and a place of safety, and said, take the standing place of Abraham as a place of prayer. And we commanded Abraham and Ismail, purify my house for those who walk around it, stay for worship, and bow and prostrate in prayer.